Tissues in here, that's good.
So you join us in our Airbnb. It's not bad, it's quite central.
It's nice, I like it.
It is, right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a nice little room, got a nice little kitchen. Not only a shower, just walk-in shower there, cubicle, loo. And it is quite central. There's the Cavern Club just around the corner.
Go to see the Beatles.
Yeah, the Beatles.
And Cilla Black.
Oh, bit of Cilla.
Haha.
And Laura laughs.
And you want to, what are you going to practice this afternoon, Marion?
I'm going to practice that song.
What's it called?
Ferry across the Mersey.
Yeah, you're going to practice
So when
that.
we go on there tomorrow, we can actually sing it, or at least
Well, you can sing. You can sing it.
or at least pretend we know the words. Wow. We finally got out of our room, so this is us walking around
2 days in
Liverpool.
Liverpool. We've got 2 days in Liverpool.
2
We're a bit
days.
nervous about Walter being at the port, aren't we?
We are definitely nervous about leaving Walter there, but we've got to just put it at the back of our minds and try and take in the sights and sounds of Liverpool. So quite impressed with the building so far. It's quite nice. Airbnb, quite central. But we'll take a little walk down to the docks to have a little look around and see what we can see. Do you remember this place when it used to be on the telly?
This morning.
I don't know if it was on this morning. Oh, you mean this morning? Did you see what I did there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, come on.
It was this morning. It used to be filmed here.
It did used to be filmed here, and they said
They had a big
some weatherman.
weatherman in the middle of the lake there. Well, it's
Doing
not a
something.
lake, it's a dock. Do you know what? It's quite nice today, but we always say, imagine this in the summertime.
Yeah.
And the sunshine. I'm really impressed with Liverpool.
Yeah, it's got a lot of history. Hey, it's really good. I mean, actually, we always say whatever city we go to, if the sun's out, then we
It's
love
always
that.
better.
But
Is that the Liver buildings up there?
I think there might be.
Is it?
Let's go see. We could take a hop on bus.
Yeah, we like doing that in cities. A great way to see around cities, isn't it? The hop on. We're not doing it here though, because guess what? We're not on holiday.
We're not on holiday. We're counting down the days to Heathrow. Yeah. So what are we doing?
Ferrying across the Mersey. Well, we're going up and down the Mersey.
We're going to go up down the Mersey. No visit to Liverpool surely is without a visit up down the Mersey. So
Never.
I've read the pamphlet that we're on the Royal Irish. Fun fact, in 1961 and 1962, who performed on this very ship?
Take that.
Not take that, try again. Try again. Boyzone? No, how about the Fab Four? Actually, the Beatles did actually perform here, which is quite cool. I got another fun fact for you.
Okay.
The word Mersey comes from the Old English word Mary, which means boundary. So, Mersey. Another fun fact. The Mersey has the second highest tide in the UK, rises from 4 meters to 10 meters. Ooh. I will be asking questions later on.
Are you recording?
I'm recording Sunday, and we've just left our Airbnb, and
It was a lovely few nights
we
after
did.
we left Walter. A really nice Airbnb
But we've got a bit of a predicament now because it's just gone. It's 11:30, and our
in the morning.
on a Sunday morning, and our coach doesn't leave Liverpool until 11:30 tonight. So we have got 12 hours to occupy ourselves. We've left our bags at the
The
Airbnb.
digs with Abdul.
Abdul, lovely chap.
Can we see what happened last night first?
Whoa, we had a real drama last night. We got some M&S food to put in the oven, and they got a little kitchen there. Anyway, I put the chips in and they started smoking really badly. And really badly. And you couldn't vent the room, and all of a sudden the guy in the reception was calling us saying, "Is there a problem? Is there a problem?"
Then the whole smoke alarm went off in the whole building.
And then we set the whole...
And he had to cancel the call to the fire engine. We're like, there's no fire, it's just smoke.
Very embarrassing. But we come through that unscathed.
Graham's laughing this morning.
Yeah, it's okay. He said we tested the alarm for him. He said every week he's got to test the alarm, and this week he hasn't got to test the alarm for room 53 because we did it for him. But
he blamed me this morning. I'm like, it was him that was cooking.
But Eileen's found this fabulous little museum, Liverpool Museum.
Yeah, we've got the whole day to wait now in Liverpool, which is fine, but it's a horrible day.
It's really
bad.
horrendously windy out and raining out there.
And it's going to be like this all day. So
we've
put our backpacks in the lockers, which are £2, and we've come to the... Can we show?
Yeah, the Liverpool Museum. And we are going to explore
we're going to go to the port bit first. Tell us all about the port. That if we'd shipped Walter like 200 years ago, maybe not that long ago.
Yeah.
Then what it would have been like. So yeah, we're going to do that.
Okay, let's go see what we can see. Oh, who are you? Tate and Lyle's started.
This is an amazing place, eh?
Yeah, what a fun fact. Tate and Lyle's started.
Hartley's Jam.
And
Tate and Lyle started in Liverpool.
Yeah.
We've been so surprised by Liverpool.
Because when they used to have refined sugar, Goldie was the waste product and it became golden syrup. That was the waste product. I wonder what we found. ACL, Atlantic Conveyor. Why we're so excited is because Walter's going on ACL ship.
Going on ACL ship.
Not actual ship.
Yeah, this one. It's exactly this one.
Wow.
This is the Atlantic. Keep going. This is the Atlantic Conveyor, this one.
Yeah.
Walter's going on the Atlantic Star.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, and so he'll be like in there somewhere.
He'll be in here somewhere.
Oh my god, it's really cool.
It's pretty cool. Look, I think they actually pay people to sit inside. See, it's good that it gives people jobs.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit boring being sat there all day.
I'd do it. I'd do that job.
Yeah. Here's a ticket. There's a ticket.
Oh my
catcher.
god.
Right, pal.
Hello, mate.
All right, mate. Just going to very quickly show you outside. I don't know if you can see it, but that is absolutely blowing a hoolie out there. I'm glad we're inside.
Oh my god.
It's funny, we just found this little part of the Liverpool Museum where they made so many films here. The Batman films here. 51st State, The Reckoning, Peaky Blinders, of course. And apparently it's because the streets look very American.
Some of them, yeah.
Some of them do anyway, which is really interesting.
What am I doing? I feel like I need to fix my hair.
Life goes on day after day.
What is this song, man?
Hearts torn in every way.
I didn't know this song, though.
You don't. So ferry across the Mersey, 'cause the land's the place I love, and here I'll stay. Yeah, Hunter, isn't it?
It looks like you in the morning.
That'd be me in Canada.
And then you progress to look a bit more like that.
We find ourselves sat on a bench.
This is what homeless looks like.
That's what homeless looks like. There's our cases. There. You can't really see. But we have been...
Well, we definitely feel homeless because we got chucked out at McDonald's.
We did. We were asked to leave McDonald's. We were drinking lots of tea, at least a cup every hour and a half. We didn't buy any food, but they asked us to leave because it goes to takeaway only, and they shut the restaurant. So
And 24-hour McDonald's.
Yeah, 24-hour
They weren't
McDonald's.
even gonna let me use the toilets.
And so we came down here, sat here for a little bit, and then we thought, why don't we go to a pub? So we went to a little pub and I had a half a lager. Woo! And our National Express coach is on its way, and it'll be here in about half an hour.
Yeah, we've gone from how long were we? 12 hours? 12 hours this morning.
Yeah, we've counted down 12 hours. So next stop will be Heathrow.
This is a bit like, we've done this and it feels a little bit like Race Against the World, doesn't it? Like, how cheap can you go from one place to the other?
How cheap?
Well, let's get an overnight bus so we don't have to pay for accommodation. Like, we think we're in Race Across the World, but we're really not.
Well, we're doing it as cheap as we can. From Liverpool to USA, Roanoke even.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so the bus was the cheapest to
Mhm.
get to Heathrow
Mhm.
from Liverpool. And then it'd be even cheaper again if we do it overnight because we don't have to pay for accommodation.
And
This
then,
all seemed like a genius idea when we planned it. Now it's like, oh, I wish I was in bed.
we might be able to get some sleep on the coach, who knows? You know?
Right.
We could snuggle up maybe, and then see how we get on.
Actually, we've been really lucky because we've missed all the bad weather. We've been inside all day.
Mm-hmm.
Me, my hat, and my scarf, and my hoodie. Although
Yeah.
It looks like it's really cold, but it's not that bad actually. It's alright.
So
Yeah.
next stop is Heathrow. So looking forward to
We
that.
get there, is it 10 to 6 we get there?
Yeah, 10 to 6.
10 to 6, and then we won't be able to check in until about
But
9.
9 o'clock,
Right.
yeah, 9 o'clock-ish. So. And finally, departure gate 31. We're a bit tired, a bit pooped, but
Yeah.
we're pushing on through.
The overnight bus wasn't quite a good idea after all.
No, the overnight bus was a bit of a mission.
At 2:30 in the morning, we had to go off and wait outside in Birmingham for 40 minutes.
Yeah, it stopped
Well,
in
they
Birmingham.
changed drivers.
Yeah, unbelievable. But we pushed on through, and we've been up for a few hours,
Oh.
and we can't wait to get on this plane to Washington. 9-hour flight. But, it's a bit weird leaving Walter. You know, and Walter's up at Liverpool. That's why I think that. What are we doing? He doesn't get on the cargo ship till Thursday. So, fingers crossed he does come across and join us at some point. Otherwise, we're backpacking.